Hi all, welcome back to my channel IT Pro Teams. In my channels, I try to focus on the topics which are very helpful for the IT administrators. Either they are related to Windows admin or Active Directory admin, Microsoft 365 admin, or cloud admin. Today I am just want to discuss about one of the main services as a Windows administrator we have to deal with, because as a Windows administrator we have to deal with Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, file services, print services. So I have already provided the videos for file server migration and DHCP server migration. Today we will discuss about print services. So how we basically migrate the print services from older version of Windows to the newer version of Windows. What are the steps that we have to basically we have to take in this particular migration, how we will prepare the new systems, what all are the activity that we need to perform, and what could be the major issues during this migrations and how you can avoid them. So currently I have an Active Directory environment, and the server that you can see in front of me is a print server, right? So basically it's a member server, but it has a print service role installed, and it has some printers also. So if you can come here and you can click on the print service, then you can able to see this server as a print server. And if you can go here, you can see there are various types of drivers available, right? The ports that are in use, right? Network ports and other types of ports. And then we have printers. So if you can see, I have IBM graphic 9 pin and HP official OfficeJet Pro 9720 printers. So let's start with this migration activity. So we need to have a server, a fresh server with higher version with us, right? So currently I've just installed a new machine, right? And now we have to join this machine in Active Directory. So currently this is only a member server, and you can to see this is a 2022 data center additions that I have, right? One second. Hello, 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 hello. So let me join this machine in Active Directory. So as this is a fresh machine, make sure when you're joining any machine in a domain, joining that machines to domain, just restart this machine. So until this machine will come back, right? Let's go to the another machine that we have and try to. So what we have to do, we have to create a folder first in the drive, C or D drive, whichever you like to. Create a folder called printer. Make sure either this folder is a share folder with the permissions, or you have to access the entire drive. So I'm using administrator account, so which already have permissions, and now this is a share folder. What do we have to do? We have to select this printer, right click here on management, and then there's an options called Migrate Printer. Click on it, and then there's an option called Export Printer Queue and Printer Driver to a file. Next, you can write print server is on the network or local. So I want to capture the local server. Next, now it will ask you where you want to keep. So I have created this share folder, and I want to give the name of this file. Printer migration. Okay, click next. It will take some time to do the migration, right? And then you can see if there is any error. Currently operation completed without any error, but if there is any error, might be printer is offline, driver is mismatching or anything, then you can open the event viewer and you can validate the errors. So just finish it. We can close. Now let's go to the new server that we have. Now we have joined this server in a domain, right? So we can log in with the domain. So now I'm logged into the new server. I already export the configuration of my old printer. So the next thing we have to do is go to this new server, and the first thing that we have to do is install the print service role in this particular machine. Some cases we are migrating the printers from old print server to the new one, and we want to retain the IP address. Some cases we want to assign the new IP address. Right. I will tell you about both of the scenarios. So there are three services nowadays. We can see in the print. We only need to select the print services. So click next and install. So I was talking about there are two methods: IP switchover without IP switchover. If you want to present this printer as a new print service, you don't want to basically switch the IP address from old print servers to the new print server. In that case, you can simply export the configuration from old server to the new server, and then you can basically present it as a new print server. But in case if you have to migrate, you have to switch over the IP address. What you have to do, you have to first assign a new IP address. First you have to stop the services in the old print server, assign a new IP address, then release the old IP address from that print server, After that, assign that IP address to the new print server, right? And you can configure the import the uh, configuration of the print services. Okay, so now it will take few minutes to install that load. Now I have to go back to my old server. So generally in production environment, to do this activity will basically seek for a downtime, or we always perform it in off hours. So now I have exported the configurations, right? So if I go back to my print server, right, and if you click here, right, expand this, you right click on this, and you don't see any options for stopping the services here. So what you have to do, you have to go to, right, your services, right? So you just right click, go to run services.msc, and you can search for print services, right? You can able to see print services here, and just right click, go to property, just make it, right, disable from here, apply, then you stop these services, and you can click OK. So now we have disabled the print services from the old server. We have to go back to the new server. The installation is done. Now let's do the migration part. So you simply go here, try to access the file, right? You have this folder with you, so just you can copy the entire folder, right? Or you can just copy this file, go to your C drive, you can create a folder here, printer, and you just paste that file here. Okay, now go back to tools. You can see there will be print management. So if you can select this, there's an option called Migrate Printer. Click here. Then there's an option called Import Print Queue and Print Driver. Click Next. Click Browse. Go to the C drive. Go to that printer folder. Select this particular file. Click Next. Click Next. This printer, loan-svr6, yes. Click Next, right? Keep existing printer, list printer that were previously listed. Okay. Click Next, and let the settings to be imported from old printer to the new printer. And you can see there's no error here. If there's an error, you can troubleshoot it. Finish, and then you just go to your print servers, and then you click on this server, go to your printers, and you'll able to see these two printers has been migrated from loan 06 to, right, loan hyphen SVR, loan 01 to loan SVR 6. Right? So this is the way how you can migrate your printer or print services from one server to another server. Either it's a different version of operating systems, or it's a server. Right? Please like and subscribe my channel for such kind of more videos. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you very soon with another interesting video.